When it comes to building landing pages, two of the most popular tools you'll hear about are OptimizePress and Leadpages. But the real question is, which one is the best landing page software? Well, in this video, we're going to break down the pros and cons of both, and by the end, you'll know which one suits your needs better, and I'll even reveal a powerful alternative to both of them that you won't want to miss. First off, let's talk about OptimizePress. OptimizePress is well known for its integration with WordPress. If you're someone who uses WordPress for your site, this is a big win because it allows you to create landing pages directly within your WordPress dashboard. No need to go outside your website's environment. It's really customizable too, offering a variety of templates, and the drag and drop editor is relatively simple to use. Next thing, let's touch on Leadpages. Leadpages, on the other hand, is more of an all-in-one platform that works independently of WordPress, meaning it's not tied to any one website platform. It offers a powerful drag and drop editor, and while it's very easy to use, it's not as customizable as OptimizePress in terms of advanced design flexibility. Leadpages focuses on ease of use and quick deployment, with pre-designed templates that are good for people who need landing pages fast, but they might not allow you to go as deep into customization as you might like. The third thing to consider is pricing. OptimizePress's pricing starts off lower than Leadpages, which can be attractive to those on a budget. However, you have to consider that OptimizePress is a one-time payment for the plugin, while Leadpages operates on a subscription-based model. So if you're someone who doesn't mind paying yearly, Leadpages might seem a bit pricier in the long run, but it does include things like split testing and more advanced analytics built into the platform, which OptimizePress doesn't offer at the same level. Now, ease of use. Leadpages definitely takes the cake here. It's built for non-tech-savvy users, so if you're looking for something you can jump into without much learning curve, Leadpages is your go-to. OptimizePress, however, might require a bit more of a learning curve, especially when you want to create more advanced pages or integrate it with other tools. The fifth thing to think about is conversion features. Leadpages offers some great features when it comes to optimizing for conversions. It comes with A/B testing, alert bars, and integration with a variety of email marketing tools out of the box. OptimizePress doesn't have A/B testing, and its conversion features are more basic in comparison. But if you're okay with using third-party tools for conversions, OptimizePress can still work just fine. Lastly, we have to talk about support. Both platforms offer support, but Leadpages tends to have better reviews for customer service. OptimizePress has a support system, but it's mostly community-driven, and while it's helpful, you may not get a fast response. Now, both of these platforms are good, but they're not perfect. If you're looking for the best landing page software, the one that's easier to use, provides more built-in features, and has a more straightforward pricing structure, there's actually a better alternative to both. After testing both OptimizePress and Leadpages, I found that Insert Competitor Name offers an even better user experience, more powerful features, and a more affordable plan. So, if you're serious about building landing pages that convert, take advantage of the free trial through the link in the description below, where you'll also get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So while OptimizePress and Leadpages both have their strengths, if you want the best of all worlds, make sure to check out that link for the best free trial and start creating landing pages that convert.